So here is your project that's due this week on Wednesday. Tomorrow you have your field trip. You can turn it in tomorrow for extra credit. It is due, no, Wednesday doesn't start with a D, and my pen doesn't write. It is due on Wednesday. Tuesday for extra credit. Okay? You are writing one line. You are writing it in all 3 different ways, but it must be the exact same line. When you look at the example right here, if I put each of these into the Desmos.com graphing calculator online, that line would each time look exactly the same as this. It would not be 3 different lines. Okay? This is one line, 3 different ways. It's as if you said, this is Mrs. Pliss, this is Kelly, this is Mom. 3 names, same person. Okay? Make sure you're giving me all this information. Notice this y-intercept is the same as this y-intercept. This slope is the same as this slope. It's because it's the same one line. Okay? Here's other information that you will need to know. Now, some of you are wanting to know where you find your line or where you get your line. You are the wonderful creators of your line. So if you want, you can take a pen or pencil on this practice graph back here. You can go, right there. There's my line. I like it. And you can say, all right, here's a nice pretty point. And let's see here. I want it to go through the 2. Okay. So that's down 1, 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 down 1. Look, here's a new point. Ta-da! And you can connect those, and suddenly you have a line. So you can use that line now to fill in all of this stuff over here. Okay? Now, do I want to see 45 graphs that look just like mine? No. In fact, don't use mine. Unless you already made yours, then whatever, that's fine. Okay? These sections down here, this is how I'm grading your poster. This is how you know to get what points you're going to get. Okay? If your name is on the front, yes, you will lose 3 points. I promise. Okay? Turned in on Tuesday. That's a +3. If you have any more questions, email me. Okay? See you guys on Tuesday.